Your engine's idling rough, bogging at full throttle, or won't even run unless the choke is on. Let's fix that. This is a beginner-friendly baseline carb tuning guide so you can get a smooth idle and full power in under 10 minutes. And I'll admit, I used to tell people the wrong order to tune a carb in my comments, but we're doing it the right way today. Before we even touch a wrench, here's the proper order you should always tune in. Main jet controls your full throttle. Needle clip position fine-tunes mid-range. Pilot jet and idle mixture screw dials in idle and the first crack of throttle. You'll always end with idle mixture, so it's perfect at the very last step. Pre-tune checkup. If you skip this, you're gonna have a bad time. First, clean your carb. Gummed up passages will make you chase your tail. Second, check for vacuum leaks at the intake and gaskets. Third, make sure your fuel is good. If it smells like varnish or brown paint thinner, replace it. Fourth, confirm your choke works and your throttle cable isn't sticking. Rich versus lean basics. Rich means too much fuel, not enough air. Engine sounds blubbery, may blow black smoke, or bog under load. Lean means the opposite, too much air, not enough fuel. Engine can pop, sputter, or surge. Pilot jet and idle mixture control idle quality and that crisp first bit of throttle. Now, quick reality check. Not all carbs are created equal. Some have an idle mixture screw, some don't. If yours doesn't, you're swapping jets until it's right. As well as the stock carb does not have a pilot jet, so all you will mess with is the main jet. If it won't idle at all, start with a bigger pilot jet or open the mixture just enough to keep it running, then fine tune it last. Main jet. Main jet is your wide open throttle fuel supply. Test in a safe spot, run at full throttle and listen. Lean main equals a high-pitched rev and feels weak. A rich main bogs and doesn't want to rev out. Swap up or down in size until it feels strong and clean. You may need to separate the emulsion tube from the main jet. Needle clip. Needle clip fine-tunes your mid-range. Lowering the clip, or raising the needle, equals a richer mid-range. Raising the clip, or lowering the needle, equals a leaner mid-range. Adjust in one clip position at a time. Take the needle and push it on a hard surface and it'll pop right off. And same thing for putting it back on. Align the groove opening of the retaining clip and the slit in the throttle slide. When putting the slide back into the carb, there is a specific way that it needs to go. Make sure you put it in properly. Once main and needle are dialed, set your idle mixture. Start 1.5 turns out from flush and adjust by quarter turns. Wait 5 to 10 seconds between each time you turn it. Adjust for highest smooth idle, then back idle speed down to where it just keeps running without struggling. This step locks everything in. And that's your baseline tune. Reliable start, smooth idle, strong mid, and full power. If you want the deep dive nerd version where I show exactly how carb circuits work, drop a comment and I'll make that in the near future. I have links to the VM22 carb I have, as well as the stock carbs with a mixture screw linked in the description. I'm Logan, this is Logino Flemingo, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Peace.